ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. In 40 or 41?
41.
Okay. Which one?
So one was number 4 in Sanskrit Banao. Aankh mein ashru hai. So we thought the Pratipadikam for Aankh was Akshi, and we came up with Aksh. Aankh mein. So Akshni. Right, I have to go back and look.
In I, tears are there.
Is it tears or is it just tear?
Well, generally we say tears, na?
Right. So because it says Ashru, we took it as we were we were confused whether we should use Ekavachanam or Dvivachanam. And also Aparna had Jal, so she used Bahuvachanam. So she used Ashruni Santi, and we said Ashruhu Asti. So which one is correct, or are both correct?
Yeah, if we are here, it is given only Ekavachanam, right? In Hindi.
Yes.
But if we are thinking in that way, then Ekavachanam. According to Vyakarana, it is Ekavachanam. According to Tatparya, it is Bahuvachanam.
Okay. Yeah. And another, also Aparna asked, because there was Jal, and Jal you have to use in Bahuvachanam is what she said.
Jal Nitya Bahuvachanam is what I had mentioned.
Jal is not Nitya Bahuvachanam. Jalam is Ekavachanam is there. Up is Nitya Bahuvachanam.
Up.
Right. Okay, so that was one. And then Akshi, Saptami is Akshni or Akshani, not Akshau, right? Is that we wanted to confirm that?
Both forms are there for Akshi.
Oh, Akshau is there? I didn't find one. That's
No,
why
not Akshau, Akshani, Akshini. Like that, both forms are there.
Akshni and Akshani, right? That's what I found. For Akshi Pratipadika.
Akshni, Akshani.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Both.
That was number 4. And the next one, we were a little bit confused about Nadi ke tat par reet, whether we Saikatam in the Shabda Kosha, they give Saikatam meaning as Nadi ka reti wala kinara, and the whole thing they gave as meaning. I think Saikatam just means sandy, right? So initially we were wondering whether we have to use Nadi ke tat par translate that. So finally we said Nadyaha tire Saikatam Pankam cha asti, right? So Pankaha Saikatam cha asti, right?
Yeah, that is okay. Nadi ke
Oh.
tat par nadi ka retila kinara.
So Saikatam we are using only for ret.
Ha.
Okay. So the next question was number 11. Ganga ki tarange sundar hai. Sundar, I took it as avyaya pada. So I said sundaram. I think Aparna suggested sundarani. Is that correct?
Which one? Ganga ki tarange sundar hai. Yes. Says Sundara is Visheshana for
So
Taranga, right? So whatever is the Visheshya Linga Vachana will follow for Visheshana also.
okay, so Sundara is not avyaya. It has vibhakti. Sundarani, Tarangani, right?
In general, Sundaram is avyaya. But when it is used in Visheshana, in the sense of Visheshana, then it will get vibhakti and all.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Next one is Jal mein kamal shobhit ho rahe hain. So we came up with two answers. One is Kamalani Shobhanti. The other one, number 16. Same
16. Okay.
Jal mein kamal shobhit ho rahe hain. And so one answer was Kamalani Shobhanti Jale. And the other answer, I was thinking of using Ghe Pratyaya and came with Shobhaha Santi. Is that correct?
Can you translate this into English?
On the water, the lotuses are shining or glowing.
Lotuses are shining, are growing. Okay,
Glowing.
Shobhit is glowing. Okay. Can you say the Sanskrit padas again?
Jale, Kamalani, Shobhanti. Shobhanti was a straightforward Vakya. Then I thought we could use Ghe Pratyaya and come up with Shobhaha Santi. Is that correct?
Yes, because this Shobha, there is no Kriya, Akarmaka Dhatu. Bhave artha we can use Ghai Pratyaya. You remember in Karmani and Bhave only Ghai Pratyaya will come.
So is there a dhatu called Shobha? We saw Shubha.
Shubha is the dhatu.
Shobhamanani is not correct. I mean, like I think
that is Shobhamana, Shanash Pratyaya will come again.
So that won't work. Right?
That won't work.
So it should be Shobhaha Santi, correct? Jale, Kamalani, Shobhaha Santi, correct?
Or Shobhanti.
Shubh Deeptau.
So what should it be? Shobhanti.
Pratyaya. Shobha.
Shobhaha is Nitya Pulinga, right? Ghe Pratyaya.
Nitya Pullinga.
But it is plural, Kamalani.
Shobhaha.
Shobhaha Santi then, right?
If we use Ghe Pratyaya, it is Shobhaha Santi. But can we use Shanach? Like she said, Shobhamana.
Wait, 1 minute. Where it is given Ghai Pratyaya examples?
No, for Shubh Dhatu, Deeptau. That's where I was looking for Shobhaha, Ghai Pratyaya.
There is no dhatu is required when we use Ghai Pratyaya. Shobhaha. Kamalani, Shobhaha.
Oh, so we don't have to say Santi.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, in fact, if you see the 145 niyama, Bhojanasya Pakaha Ramasya Hasaha. Shashti we have to use. Ghai ke Ghayanta ke saath karma mein Shashti hoti hai. I will open that. घयंत के साथ कर्म में षष्ठी होती है, जैसे भोजनस्य पाकः, रामस्य हासः. So here
We have to use Shashti with
Shashti.
Kamalani.
Mm.
Kamala.
Kamala Nam
Kamalana,
Yam. No.
Kamalana,
Kamala Nam. Okay.
But this
Kamala,
Jal
sorry,
mein-
Kamalana.
Kamalana. Kamala.
Kamala is Akaranta Strilinga, right?
Yeah, Rama. Right. So then Rama
Ramayam.
Yam. So Kamala Yam.
No. Kamala, there's Karanta Napunsaka Linga also. It's there.
Malayam.
Is it Kamala or Kamala? If we are using Kamala, which is Napunsaka Linga, Akaranta, then Kamalanam makes sense.
Kamala, okay. Kamalam.
Kamala, yes.
Napumsakalinga. Okay. Then Kamalanam.
Yes.
Kamalanam.
Kamalanam. Okay.
Kamalanam Shobhaha. That's all.
That's all we have to say. Okay. Thank you.
Jale Kamalanam Shobhaha. That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
We
Can
will
we
use pratyaya. Actually, we have to practice these pratyas which are not familiar. Instead of using lat lakara and all, it is good to use gai pratyaya, new pratyas. It will become familiar.
Okay. Can
So
we repeat
Niyama-
the 15th one? Umaji, what was finally? Purnaji, what was the final one? 15th one. Nadyaha.
Nadyaha.
Was it Nadyaha Saikate Chatraha Kridanti?
Yeah, Bhag mein. So Bhag mein, I don't know what we said. I know Prabha did this one. She did all the Nadi ke retile ones. So Bhag mein,
Nadi ke bhag mein.
Nadyaha.
Bhag means side, right?
Is it? It's on one side, yes. One part of this beach.
Then Tira only.
Okay. Nadyaha
Nad-
tire chhatraha kridanti. I think that's what she said. Okay.
Nadyaha Tire. Where is Saikate then?
Saikate is not that Vakya. That is another Vakya. Nadi ke tat par. That is 9th one.
Actually, we have to say Nadyaha Saikate Bhage. We can say Bhage.
Nadyaha
Instead of Tire, we can use Saikate.
Nadyaha Saikate Chhatraha Kridanti.
Okay. Any other doubts?
I think that was it. At least that's all I got. Anybody else had anything?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Now we have to do 42 Vakyas. Niyamas we finished. Anything is remaining? Just we will go through it once so that it will become Nul and Trich Pratyaya both are introducing. I think in this Pratyaya only Trich Pratyaya is explained. Both Pratyayas will explaining only Karta. Means in the sense of Karta, we'll use Trich Pratyaya and Nul Pratyaya. Trich will remain as through only, like Kartru. Trich, Chakara will go and Tru will remain. Kru becomes Kartru. It is given. Kru becomes Kartru. Kru becomes Kar by Sarvadhatu Kardhadhatuka Yoho. Guna happens. Kru becomes Kar, Kartru. Karne wala. Same way, Hartru, Bhartru, Dhartru, like that. इसी प्रकार समहर्ता, धर्ता, उपकर्ता आदि. विशेष के अनुसार इसके लिंग विभक्त और वचन होते हैं. Whatever is the visheshas, linga vachana, visheshana also will follow. पुल्लिंग में इसके रूप कर्तृ शब्द okay. Pullinga, like kartru shabda, how it is there, it is given the संख्या 5. स्त्रीलिंग अंत में ई लगाकर नदी के तुल्य. Okay. Pullinga goes like what? It is not given. We have to find out that in Ashtadhyayi. Strilinga goes like nadi shabda. Matru shabda is Strilinga shabda. But Matru is not going like Nadi Shabda. I'm unable to open. Anybody is unable to open this?
Yes, I can share if you want. Want me to share?
Can you decline?
Yes.
Matru Shabda?
Yeah. Prathama Mata Matarau Mataraha. Dvitiya Mataram Matarau Matruh.
Matrun.
No, it is Matru Dirgha Rikaranta with Visarga after that.
Oh.
Mm.
Here it is given as Matrun in Dhatu Prakriya. It has
But that
opened.
is with, you want it with Trich Pratyaya. I am declining just Matru Shabda. So.
It should be same. There it is not, I'm able to open, so I opened here.
But this is
Okay,
Rikaranta
wait.
Strilinga. This is Rikaranta Strilinga. It is so,
Okay,
I'm not declining Mata.
Wait. Matru Shabda, Matru is the Pratipadika. You are declining Mata, Matarau, Mataraha, right?
No, I wasn't doing that. So let me do that. No, Mata I didn't find. So, okay.
Yeah. Prathama ekvacham Mata, Mataro, Mataraha.
Yeah, even I couldn't find it.
Okay, that is Pullinga. I don't know how they have given Pullinga also for Matru Shabda. In all three lingas are there.
Yeah.
Mata, Matri, Matru. Okay. Matri, Matriyau, Matriyaha. Matrim, Matriyau, Matrihi. Matrya, Matribhyam, Matribhihi. Matriyai, Matribhyam, Matribhyaha. Matryaha, Matribhyam, Matribhyaha. Matryaha, Matryoho, Matrinam, Matriam, Matryoho, Matrishu. He Matri, He Matryo, He Matriyaha. So they have given this niyama. So this विशेष के अनुसार इसके लिंग विभक्त और वचन होते हैं. That means this trich pratyaya is indicating visheshana, not vishesha. That's why they have given in three lingas: Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga.
So Visheshana, as Visheshana, Mata can be Pullinga.
Yes. Napumsakalinga also can be Pullinga. Like for Mata Shabda may not be used even for Pullinga Visheshana and Napumsakalinga Visheshana. But some like table is there, Utpitika. So for this, if we need some Visheshana, Trich Pratyaya Shavanta Shabda, we need Visheshana for this. Then at that time, we need Pullinga, also Napumsakalinga, also Strilinga also, right? And not Utpitika Shabda, like Pustakam is there. So for Pustakam, we want to use Trich Pratyanta Shabda Rupam. If we want to use Trich Pratyanta as Visheshana, then we need Napumsakalinga. Then at that time, we can use Napumsakalinga also, Pullinga also, whichever Visheshya is there. So this Kartra, Trich Pratyanta and Nul Pratyaya, both are Visheshanas, in the sense of Visheshanas. Is that clear?
How can we use Mata as Pullinga, as Visheshana?
Mata may not be used anywhere.
Okay.
But
it can be.
similar other shabdas, like Mata, some other shabdas, if it is there, then those shabdas can be used as Visheshana.
Okay.
So they have given all the shabdas, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. But Mata shabda nowhere else can be used, I think.
Punaji, what about for Matru Shabda, Rikanta Strilinga, that will be still there, am I right?
Yes. Rikaranta Strilinga shabda.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one question, Purnaji, there.
Hmm.
So like for Bhasha is Strilinga. So Matru Bhasha would be still Strilinga, right?
Yes.
So in that case, if so the only word I could come up with was watch for. So can it be
Mm.
can it be if it comes with, if Mata comes with that, would that in that Visheshana form take a pulling form? Is that what it means when we say it's a Visheshana?
Visheshana for what?
If a word like a Trich Pratyaya word, like Mata, if it comes with in association
For
with
Pullinga. In association with Pullinga, then Matru Shabda, we can use Pullinga
right?
as Mata.
Okay.
We'll find out if such thing is there or not.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Suppose we use as the person who is measuring. So in that sense, like Mapna, in that sense, I think Mata may be used for as masculine.
Yeah.
What is the English vakya for that?
Measurer, I guess.
Measurer.
Because-
Yes.
uh,
Measurer.
Any
like-
aspect of measuring, right? It could be anything. Yeah.
Like that, we can use.
because of null, that akka is there, no? So the person who's doing. So.
Trich also the person who is doing.
Doing
Both
it.
are. Yes. So this point is clear, right?
Yes, Punaj.
नपुंसकलिंग में उपर्युक्त ढंग से रूप चलेंगे. Okay, Napumsakalinga also, here they have given Matru Shabda, we'll see. Matru, Matruni, Matruni, Matru, Matruni, Matruni, Matruna, Matra. It's like similar to one form is similar to Pita Shabda only. Yeah, another form is little bit different. So that we have to see here. Here also this point is there. प्रत्ययांत के त्रिच प्रत्ययांत के साथ कर्म में षष्ठी होती है. So along with त्रिच प्रत्यय in कर्म षष्ठी विभक्ति will come. पुस्तकस्य कर्ता, हर्ता, धर्ता वा. So means the one who is holding the book, holder of the book. Exact translation, holder of the book, right? Our pustakasya karta is
The one who made the book.
The
Huh.
author. No.
karta is made the book.
Okay, so who made the book? Okay, like
Uh-huh.
okay, like assembled it together. I guess maybe that is what it is.
Is it like we say tika yaha karma, tika kara? Is that like
Manufacturer.
Tikakara.
No, I think what Shivananji says makes sense. Manufacturer or something. Yeah.
Manufacturer of the book.
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah.
Manufacturer, publisher.
Yeah, manufacturer is the correct word for karta. Okay. Like that meaning will be there. So we have to remember this niyama, pustakasya karta. So shashti, karma will be in shashti. Trich pratyela. So these niyamas we saw and how these are very simple, where guna comes, where vruddhi comes and all. So we don't need to go through it again. Okay, please, can you start?
But we finished that.
What
We
is the
finished that
question?
first Udharana. We finished the first one in English translation. I think second one we have to start.
Oh, yes,
Sanskrit
yes.
Banavo.
Sanskrit Banavo from 4th onwards. Please start.
बहुत जल ना पियो, अधिक जलम ना पिबेत.
Na piba. Pibet is
Vidhiling.
Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. So it should be Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam.
Piba.
Piba. Next.
Idam vastu utthapaya.
Idam
Vastu. Because
Next.
It is
vastu.
us means that, right? So tat.
Ma etat usage.
Ut is that.
That. So yeah, that.
Not etat, etam.
Etam. Oh.
Etam vastu. Vastum. It could be dvitiya. Right?
So tam.
Etam. Sorry. The tam, not etam. Tam. Tam vastum. Next.
बहुत धन चाहो. Bahut would be. So adhikam, that kind of word, or adhikam dhanam.
Adhikam you can use.
Adhikam dhanam ichhatu.
Chaho, Madhyam Purusha, right?
So Ichha.
Yes. Next.
तुम्हारे आंसू गिर रहे हैं.
Hmm.
So that we can say तव अश्रु tears, am I right?
Yes.
Right. So
Hmm.
अश्रुपात पतति.
Ashruni,
अश्रूणि पतति. तव अश्रूणि पतति.
Patanti.
पतन्ति. पतन्ति. Correct.
Because Bahuvachanam, na?
बहुवचन.
Patanti.
Correct. Tears पतन्ति. Correct.
Next.
तव अश्रूणि पतन्ति.
Next.
लाख यहाँ लाओ. जतु आनय. अत्र आनय.
Is it Jatu or Jatu?
Says jatu in the Shabdakosha.
Oh, okay.
Lakh.
Jatu. Okay. Next.
Number
Number 9.
9.
number 9.
It is difficult to find out 9. This is 9.
Oh, yes. दाढ़ी स्वच्छ करो. दाढ़ी स्वच्छ.
Shamashu.
स्मशु.
Mashruhu.
Shmashruhu.
स्मशु शोधयतु. शोधयतु.
Shodhaya.
There is lot lakaranam.
Ha. Lot Madhyam Purusha Ekachana.
Okay. Shodhayena.
Yena?
What is it, Amma? Shodha?
One minute. Shuddha Dhatu. You are using.
Shuddhya. Shuddhyatat.
Shuchi Guru is what? I don't know.
The Shabdakosha, there is Shuddha.
Shuddha. Okay. Then Shuddhaya.
Yeah, there is Shuddha Dhatu. Shuddha. Lot Shuddhya. Yeah, Shuddhya. Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam Shuddhya.
Okay.
Next. Next.
I think it's back to Anusha's turn.
Anusha.
त्रपु चिपकता है. शीलचते अम्मा. शीलचा.
Trapuh Shlishyati. Shlishyati.
त्रपु श्लिष्यति.
Prapu. Yeah.
Trapuh Shlishyati. Next.
Saha Parvatasya Sanuni Arohati.
Yes, next.
Arohati, it's lot lakar.
Yes. Lot Lakara. Aroha.
Aroha.
Next.
That's me. Okay. Talu में बाण लगा. With okay. Talu. So, so
Talu
sixth,
is
Shashti.
Jikhvaya.
Yeah.
Jikhvaya.
Jihayam. Saptami ekvachanam. Jihayam. Bana would be.
Jihva is tongue, no?
Tongue, yeah. Talu knee, right?
Talu is palate.
Yeah.
So
Talu.
talu itself.
Talu itself, but Saptami.
No, but the Saptami would be.
Yeah, Talu knee, right?
Oh, taluni. Okay, thank you.
Oh, Talu itself is Talu. Okay. Taluni. What is the Kriya Pada?
They have given with. So,
The dhatu
so this
is
is Lot
vyad.
Lakar. Vyad.
Vidhi is the Dhatu.
Sharaha. Talu.
Vidya,
Sharaha.
Vidya
Mhm.
is Lot Lakara, Madhyama Purusha. But dhatu is vyad. They've given vidha. I don't know what
Vidha only, I think.
is the dhatu.
అమ్మ విభక్తే ధాతు అమ్మ విద్ద.
Viddaha is actually Ta Pratyaya Vyad Dhatu. They have given past tense
Oh,
to use directly Dhatu, Kriya Pada.
okay.
Exactly. I think Vidha. Yeah.
Vyad is the Dhatu. Next.
ईश्वर संसार का कर्ता धर्ता और हर्ता है. So ईश्वर जगतः कर्ता धर्ता संहर्ता अस्ति.
Okay.
Or we
Next
can
one.
say, can we use Shashti also?
Yeah, in number 5, they have used Shashti so that they can use Kartri, Dhartri and all that. So,
Correct. That's what I was thinking. So,
Mhm.
Punaji, is it okay to use Shashti also? Ishwarasya?
Yes, they have used both Prathama as well as Shashti.
So the next one also will be similar. Brahma, Srishti ka karta, dharta और हरता है. Brahma, Brahma, Jagatasya, Srishti karta, Srishti kartri, dhartri, hartri, asti. Is it a right sentence? Brahma,
Can you repeat
Jagatasya.
again?
Brahma, Jagatasya.
No. Jagat Shabda is Jagataha.
You know, Jagat, I thought I was trying to use Shashti Vibhakti. Okay.
You are using Brahma as Prathama or Brahma as Shashti?
Brahma is Shashti. So Brahma Shashti will be.
If you use Brahma as
Brahma
Shashti,
Shashti will, what will be? Sorry.
Brahmanaha.
Brahmana. Correct. Okay.
Hmm.
So Brahmana Jagataha Kartri Dhatri Samhartri Asti.
Ja.
They're correct. Cha Asti. Yeah.
No. Yes. See, why they used Kartri, Dhartri, Samhartri? Not that it is Shashti.
Because
Prakriti
Strilinga.
Prakriti Shabda is Strilinga Shabda. Kartri is Strilinga Shabda. Dhartri is Strilinga. Samhartri
In this
is
example, there is no Strilinga. Okay, so it will be Jagata. Okay, Karta, Dharta, Samharta.
No. Srishti is Strilinga Shabda.
Yeah.
But Srishtihi, it is Srishtihi, not Srishti.
Okay.
So we can take Napumsakalinga only.
Okay.
Napumsakalinga. Brahmanaha, Jagataha, Karta, Dharta, what did we see? The
This
So-
is not for Jagatah, right? This
Kartru. Srishti means Jagat only, na?
yeah, Srishti is Jagat. only.
oh, okay.
Huh.
If we don't take Shrishti, it's okay. Got it.
Hmm. Srishti, we have to take Napumsakalinga Shabda because Brahma is Napumsakalinga Shabda, na? And that we have to see everywhere. See, Ishvara
Oh,
is
so-
Pullinga Shabda. Ishvara is Pullinga Shabda. So, they have taken all three lingas. Jagat is Napumsakalinga. Prakriti is Strilinga Shabda. And here Jagat is also Napumsakalinga Shabda. We can take Srishtihi is Pullinga. Pullinga Shabda. Pullinga Shabda is Karta, Dharta, Harta. Yes. Brahmanaha Srishtihi Karta, Dharta, Harta.
Cha asti. Thank you.
So here, before sentence, Ishvaraha or Ishvarasya
Yes.
Jagataha.
Jagataha, Karta, Dharta.
No. Jagat is Napumsakalinga Shabda. So for Napumsakalinga Shabda, Kartru,
Upkar.
Dhartru, Kartru,
Kartru,
Dhartru.
Dhartru. Samhartru.
Yes.
Samhartru cha asti.
Then only two vakyas are there. Okay, next.
ग्रंथ का रचयिता ग्रंथ बनाता है. ग्रंथस्य कर्तृ ग्रंथः रचितः.
Rachayitru you can use. Rachayitana means Rachayitru.
Here two kriya padas are there. Both we have to use like
And it
granthasya.
is not Kriya Pada. Rachayitru is not Kriya Pada. Rachayitru is Visheshana for, it is not Visheshana. Granthasya Karta means Granthasya Rachayitru. Granthaha Rachayati.
ग्रंथस्य रचयितृ ग्रंथः रचयति.
Yes. Next.
जेता शत्रुओं को जीतता है. So this is G dhatu. Is it?
Yes.
I think it becomes Jivyati. Does G dhatu become Jivyati or
Jeta only.
Jeta
Trich
only?
Pratyaya.
Okay.
Trich Pratyaya. Jeta.
Okay. Shatrun. What is the Kriya Pada is G. Jivyati.
Jayati. Jayati.
Jayati. Okay. Simple as that.
Satyameva Jayatena.
Okay. Jeta Shatrun Jayati.
In that Satyameva Jayate Nanrutam, Jayate is Atmanepadi, right?
Yes. Otherwise it would be Jayati, you know.
Actually, it is Jayati. If you look at the Bhashya, Bhashyakara has translated as Jayati. It is Arsha Prayoga.
Arsha Prayoga.
Yes. These things we will enjoy when we know the grammar. Yeah. Okay. We will do that 21, then we will stop. Can you do? Who will do? Next one.
रक्षक रक्षा करता है. रक्षकः रक्षति.
Where you have gone? Oh, 17 one. Okay, okay. Rakshakaha Raksha. What did you say?
रक्षकः रक्षति अन्नानु.
Rakshakaha Rakshati. Yes. Next.
धन को लेने वाला धन लेता है. So dhanasya, how would you make लेने वाला?
नेता
नेता.
नेता
हाँ. धनस्य नेता धनम
नयति
नयति. Okay.
takes away.
అమ్మ గృహ్ణాతి అని చెప్పొచ్చమ్మా గృహ్ణాతి.
Yes. Next.
धन का हर्ता धन चुराता है. धनस्य हर्ता धनम चोरयति.
Next.
There in the Shabdakosh, there is Vasu Shabda for Dhana.
Okay.
Vasu. Okay.
It is hartru or hartam.
Dhana. Vasu is the shabda for dhana. Okay. Vasu is napumsakalinga. Vasaha harta. Not harta. Hartru. Vasaha hartru. Vasam chorayati.
Is
No,
it
Vas-
Vasunaha? Is it Vasunaha? Shashti is Vasunaha for Vasu.
Is it nakaranta shabda? Vasu?
No, but somehow it's giving Shashti as it's Ukaranta Napunsakalinga, Dravyam Dhanam Ratnam, and Vasunaha as the Shashti.
Purna ji, sorry, I have to drop off. I have 8 o'clock meeting.
Oh, yes, please.
Thank you.
Oh, Shabda Kosha, I am unable to open. Vasunaha. Ukaranta Nabhumsakalinga. Okay, Vasunaha. Lot of sutras are there to come Vasunaha. Okay, Vasunaha hartru Vasu chorayati. Dvitiya is Vasu only, right? Dvitiya is Vasu. Vasu chorayati. Okay, we'll do the from 20 onwards, we'll do tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Om.